Hey, today we will talk with you about apps that can bring you profit, even if they don't have a lot of downloads. Let's remember a little theory. What is monetization? Monetization is earning on ad impressions within the app. The user opens the app, enjoys the content, and during this time, ads are shown to him. Based on this logic, we think that the more downloads your mobile app has, the more ads are shown to users, and the more you earn. Yes, but one thing to keep in mind, out of 10,000 mobile app users, those who will open the app for a second time may be less than 1,000 people. This means that you'll receive much less advertising impressions and consequently money than was initially expected from 10,000 users. Now attention, Andromo reveals the insight. Quality is more important than quantity. What does this mean? It is much more important that one user spends 10 minutes in your app than 10 users for 1 minute. So, ad networks will better calibrate ads for it, and it will be shown more relevant offers with a higher chance of a conversion. Therefore, you will earn more. The conclusion from all of the above? The application must bring value so that users spend more time in it. Are there any app examples that can keep the user longer? Apps with long content, radio or music tracks. The user can listen to audio for hours. Can you imagine how many ad impressions will happen during this time? You need to have 1,000 active users for your app to generate good income for you. You can use Andromo Easy Start. Find sound templates and create a radio or ringtones app in several steps. Simply add a template, fill it with your content, and build. Think about what other exciting themes can keep the user longer in the app and make him come back again. And we will prepare a few more strategies and talk about them in the following videos. Good luck!